welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. Right now I'm working on a 2019 Ford F150 3.3. so the current code is for the driver's seat. So this is the airbag code right there. These two are the for the driver's seat, the airbag connector. You can see the airbag lights is on. Now for the airbag seat connector, which is this one, so I took off the seat. It has 4 bolts, 4 13mm bolts right here, one here, 2 in the back. Disconnect the big connector. Now this is a very common problem for the Ford to break right here. You can see the purple wire right here is broke right there, it ripped. So that's why one of the codes said circuit open. Now you can see the purple wire broke at the neck right here. So now I'm gonna take out the pin from the inside here and resolder it. This is a very common problem to this model Ford F150, always broken at the wire. So now I'm gonna show you how to take out the pin on the inside. Red lock over here, you're gonna use a needle nose. You're gonna grab onto the red lock on the inside and then pull it out just like that. And then you're gonna use a really small flathead. You see that tab right there? I'm gonna show you. For the lock here, I used my pick. You're gonna pick up that lock right there. What you're gonna do is pick up that lock. You see how I picked it up? Yeah. Push up that lock, and then at the same time, use a needle nose, grab onto this pin and push it down. So push it towards the back. You're gonna pick up the lock. Right there, you can see I picked up the lock, and then use a needle nose, grab that pin, push it back. Once you got the pin to push back, just pull it back like that. There you go. And then the pin, the lock, you can see the little lock right there. Let me zoom in. You can see the little tab right there, the lock. That's what you gotta push up right there. That little tab right there, push them up and then push the pin back. Now I got another wire. I don't have a purple wire at the time, so I just use another black wire and then I soldered it. You can see solder at the neck right here, and then I solder at the other end. Do not crimp these. Airbag connector does not work when you crimp it. When you crimp it, it'll throw you another code. Either it says resistance too high or resistance too low. You have to solder these, and then I'm gonna tape up this part right here. Make sure you put the rubber boot right here back, so that way it stays tight when you put it back into the connector. Now I taped this end already. Now I'm gonna put it back into the connector. Now remember, the open slot right here on the pin goes where the tab is. So I'm gonna shove the whole thing in, make sure that part gets locked. Nice and tight. There you go. Yep, all the way through. You can see the tab right there locks down to the pin. Now I'm gonna put back my red lock. Now I got the red locked back in. Make sure it's flush with the connector right there. Check the connector on this end, make sure the wire is not broken. Check the pin, make sure it's not damaged or broken. If it's good, just reconnect it. There you go, locked. Lock the red tab. Put it back to the seat. There you go. Check the big harness connector, the wires, the pin, make sure none of these are bad. And then you can just go ahead and reinstall the seat. Now I'm gonna show you the code again before I clear it. Make sure this airbag light goes away. There you go, went away. So I'm gonna go back to the code. So that's the code for the driver's seat. So this problem is very common for the F150. Now I'm gonna clear it. There you go. turn off the car, turn it back on. So that is it for this video, guys. Just a airbag connector wire is broken. If you guys have any question, comment down below. If you guys new to the channel, please help me subscribe. Leave any comment, question. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.